Hey everybody, and welcome back for another cleaning video. I'm so happy that you are here. I was really motivated to clean the house today. The floors really needed to be vacuumed and mopped. My bedroom was really unorganized, and I have a ton of laundry to do. So there will be lots of folding motivation later on in this video, so stay tuned.
You're a lonely sailor, and your soul is made of wind and rain, doubts and blame. I'm a weary pirate, and my heart is made of dust and grain, and spoiled champagne. I've got troubles, I've got sins, I'm my worst enemy, but I've still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come, and say by chance, don't you wanna make a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart. You're a born survivor, and you'll never find yourself in love. You're wise enough. I got troubles, I got sins, I'm my worst enemy, but I still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come? And say by chance, don't you want a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart. So I said, hey, don't you want to come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come? And say by chance, don't you want a man who fully understands, So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come, and say by chance, don't you want a man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's.
After I switched the laundry, I decided to take a break and grab a coffee. And while I was out, I also grabbed the mail. I had ordered some new filters for the cat's water bowl and a dress from Amazon. And I wasn't expecting this dress that I ordered to arrive yet, so it was a happy little surprise for me. And of course, I wanted to try it on and show you what it looked like. It is the perfect spring and summer dress, and it is a really nice material, and it's really breathable, and it comes in a lot of colors. So I will link it down below in case you're interested. And yes, I did change my outfit because it was almost 80 degrees outside this day, and I was sweating wearing my sweatshirt.
You're stronger now than you ever been. You gotta leave now. Just call on me to just call on me to just call on me to just call on me, baby, I'll be there. Just call on me, baby, I swear that I'll be there. Just call on me, baby, I'll be there. Call me, baby, I swear that I'll be there. And so remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. When life throws lemons, just call on me to 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 just call on me. Whoa, say the word. Just call on me.
I apologize for this strange camera angle. I accidentally did a wide angle while recording this part, but I left it in anyways because I didn't want to leave out the satisfying cleaning of the sink. It is my favorite part of cleaning videos. Also, this is your friendly reminder to sanitize your sponges. After I use mine, I just pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. I do not do this all the time because I forget, but this is me reminding you.
Kept thinking how real love should feel, knowing that it's not just you, it's me, 'cause I was made to be free. I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Well, I am made to be free. Been thinking about myself and myself only.
So this is our guest room / office / kitty room. The cats like to sleep in here, and we keep their litter box in here as well. Like I have mentioned before, the cats shed like crazy, and I keep this dark sheet on the bed specifically so that I know when to clean it. Otherwise, it will go unnoticed and get out of control very fast. So every couple of days I come in here and I vacuum the bed. It is a really tedious job, but I also find it extremely satisfying to clean.
I am made to be free. I am made to be free. Well, I am made to be free. That's my choice, what I need to be free. Still thinking how real love should feel when I know that it's not about you, just me.
In case anyone is curious about the items I am using in today's video, I'll have them linked down below in the description. The vacuum I use is the Dyson Cyclone V10 Absolute. The link down below is the exact one I bought on Amazon back in April, but when I bought it, it was $400. So I am not sure why it says $650, but definitely wait for the sales. It is a very pricey vacuum, but I may never go back to a corded vacuum again. It makes cleaning so easy and you just grab it and go. And I can clean my whole house with it in less than 20 minutes. The mop I'm using is the Shark S3501 steam cleaner. Fairly inexpensive and easy to use. You just add water, and as you can see, it is very efficient. And that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!